Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Wiggins Hair. We haven't had a wig from them in a minute, but anyways, this wig is a 24-inch loose deep wave. It's a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. I love that. I know a lot of you guys love that. We love our lace closure wigs over here. Now this wig does come pre-plucked, and it also does come pre-bleached as well, and it is HD. The only thing that I had to do was cut the lace, but that's super easy, you guys. Now in regards to the hair quality, it is 100% human hair, and she is 180% density, and it's very full from lace to tip. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. They sent some goodies, of course. I'm also going to show you guys some close-ups of the wig in itself, give you guys a close-up of that texture, that lace, the inside of the wig cap, etc. So per usual, I'm just going to add some makeup all over my lace. Now, whether or not you have an HD lace closure or a frontal, whatever you have, it's best that you add the makeup on the lace. That way it can kind of match your skin complexion a lot better and really be given scalp. Okay, so that's why I do that. I went ahead and I threw the wig on. The wig was a great fit, you guys. It wasn't too big on me, so I was super happy about that. I made sure everything was adjusted and everything was nice, tight, and secure. And then once I got settled, I went ahead and I cut all the additional lace off of the wig. Now, although the wig cap was fitting great on me, you guys know I do not put my trust in the adjustable elastic band that's in the back. I would rather use some lace melting spray just to make sure that my lace doesn't move anywhere else. It's not necessarily the wig cap in itself. I want my lace to be super still and as flat and as melted as possible. So I personally like to add a little bit of lace melting spray. It's up to you if you want to do that or not, because I don't really feel like the lace the wig cap in itself needed that, but that's just something that I like to do regardless, so it's up to you. But anyways, I added some of that spray. I made sure the lace was super melted and flat, and I did use my elastic band to kind of just let it melt a little bit more as well. So now I'm just going to make sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible, and I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb per the usual, and I do add some more foundation on my lace as well, just to make it blend even more and really make it look like it's coming out of my scalp in itself. Lace is an illusion, you guys, but if you have an HD lace like this one and the lace is really thin, it just makes it a whole lot easier to blend and to look natural, so they did a really good job. So now we are going to move on and style the rest of the hair. This is a deep wave texture, so I like to keep it real simple. I do like to run my fingers through the hair to get rid of any unnecessary shedding that might be there. And then I like to add a little bit of water and a little bit of gel on top, and that's all that I do. Now, as far as the shedding on this hair did have a little bit of shedding. It wasn't like thick amounts of shedding on my floor, but there were a couple of pieces, so I'm used to that. Honestly, every wig that I have sheds. It just depends on how bad it sheds. This one, I would say that the shedding is very minimal. It's not too crazy. I also like to be very gentle with wigs like this, all my curly wigs especially. This is a deep wave, so it's not too bad, but either way, I like to be very gentle with my wig units just to avoid any unnecessary shedding. So I would recommend that you guys do the same. I also would recommend that you not put crazy amounts of products in the hair. I know like a lot of times everyone searches for the perfect wig and stuff like that. I just always live by the rule, like I'm gonna treat every single wig as if it's only meant to last 3 months. And not saying that this one will, but what I'm saying is I like to be super gentle and very cautious with all of my wigs so that they last a really long time. And it just helps the fact that I'm a very simple girl, so you know, I never really do too much and my wigs always stay intact and they stay in really good shape. So I just recommend that you guys do the same. Okay, so because I didn't add too much water and too much product, the hair pretty much dried pretty fast. So this is what she is looking like. Now, if you would like it to look even fuller, you're just going to run your hands through the hair again. But I just wanted that texture just to pop just a little bit more. So this is what I was left with. Super quick and very easy, you guys. I hope that this tutorial was very easy to follow. Now, make sure you guys head over to my description box. The direct link to this wig unit will be listed there. There's also a link to a lot of the hair products that I prefer to use. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today. Make sure you guys come back next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video. I will see you guys next time.